good to, you're good to go.
Are we live? Are we good?
I got 4:15 on my phone.
Seeing that we're past 4:15, we'll call this meeting to order. First order of business is the...
Brian Elsesser.
Joined.
So now with Brian's on the phone, I'll need to move and approve to allow Brian to participate via remotely. First by Dr. Blair, second by Sharon. Any questions or comments for allowing Brian to participate via remote? All those in favor? Aye. All those opposed? Ayes have it. Brian, they just voted you to participate.
Thank you for your confidence.
Next, we'll move for the approval of the March 22nd, 2021 minutes. Is there a motion to approve? Junior, second by Ms. Allison. Any questions or comments for the minutes? Seeing none, all those in favor? Aye. All those opposed? Ayes have it. Next is reports, other minutes, and updates. Any questions or comments? Or if not, we'll receive and file those. Seeing none or questions or comments, we'll just move to file those. Zoning case. First case, case 013-21-U, petition of Becky L. Murphy. Is there a motion to put this on the floor? Sharon, second by Dr. Blair. Kathy.
This is a special use request to bring an existing non-conforming use into compliance with our ordinance regulations to allow them to expand upon that existing use. This property is located on Wheaton Street in Medina Township. This is on the east side of Route 29, north of Mossville Road. There are 0 consents and 0 objections on file. The parcel does have a single-family dwelling and several accessory buildings on site. It is zoned I-1 light industrial, along with adjacent parcels to the south and west. Parcels to the north and east are zoned A2 agriculture. Surrounding land uses include Peoria Park District land, as well as residential and light industrial. The single-family residential dwelling was constructed in 1940. This was pre-zoning for Peoria County, which explains why it is an industrial zone land now. It was already there. Their garage burned down, and they would like to rebuild that. In order to rebuild a residential structure in the industrial district, they do need to go through this process. The Health Department had no objections. The Medina Township Road Commissioner also had no objections. This property is clustered with light industrial uses and other single-family dwellings, so it is consistent with the area, and it's also consistent with the recommendations of our Peoria County Land Use Plan. Staff has recommended approval, as well as the zoning board unanimously.
Questions for Kathy? Seeing none, all those in favor? Aye. All those opposed?
Aye.
Ayes have it. Next is the zoning case 014-21-U, petition of Linda Martin. Is there a motion to put this on the floor? Junior Watkins, Dr. Blair. Kathy.
The petitioner is requesting to divide 3 tracts of approximately 10 acres each from a 30-acre parcel that is zoned A2 agriculture. The parcel is located on Cedar Hills Drive in Medina Township. There is 1 consent and 1 objection on file. This parcel is an agricultural field. It's zoned A2 agriculture, as well as all surrounding parcels. The Greenview Nursery is located east of the subject parcel, and there is a combination of agriculture with an agricultural home site to the north. There is a number of residential subdivisions located within 1 mile of this location. The city of Peoria's boundaries are 0.3 miles to the southeast of the subject parcel, and the closest subdivision is also 0.3 miles. The petitioner would like to sell each tract as a home site. This is consistent with the mixed rural and urban residential character of the surrounding area. This did have a low LISA score for agricultural protection, and the parcel is served by public water. The Health Department had no objections at this time. The parcel has frontage along Cedar Hills Road, as well as North Klein Road, which is a township collector road. The petitioner is proposing a 30-foot shared ingress-egress easement from North Klein Road for access, and the Peoria County engineer has actually advised that they will not allow access from Cedar Hills Road. The Medina Township Road Commissioner has stated that he does not have any objections to the proposed use. The Peoria County Land Use Plan for this area is urban, which does allow for residential subdivisions, so the request is consistent with our land use plan. It's also consistent with our Peoria County housing growth strategy. The parcel, as I said, is within the 1.5 mile jurisdiction of the City of Peoria. The City of Peoria will request an annexation agreement from the parcel owner before they sign the plat for this. The Medina Township Planning Commission has recommended approval. Staff recommended approval with the restriction that the parcels created may not be divided again, even if subsequently combined with other parcels. The zoning board also recommended approval with the same restriction with a vote of 5 to 1.
Questions or comments for Kathy? Jennifer?
Did you say the area is or is not served by water, public water?
It is served by Illinois American Water.
Did you hear that, Brian?
Yeah, and then I've been talking to Andrew and Kathy throughout the day because I was trying to get a hold of the petitioner, but I wasn't able to. So I'll do that between now and the main county board meeting.
Okay.
And also the objectors, because I think I know them, and I just wanted to visit with them as well.
Brian, I just remind you of the rules that you're really not supposed to have too much contact on an active case.
Oh, because I talked to Andrew this morning. He said, okay, that's fine.
There can't be new information that wasn't heard also at the zoning
Yeah,
board hearing.
basically the new information clause, Brian.
Oh. Okay.
So you can talk to him. Remember, we've always been allowed to talk, but you're not allowed to have new facts introduced into the case.
No, I'm not going to do that. I just
Okay.
wanted to visit with them a little bit. So.
Okay. Sorry, I misunderstood you off the start. Any other questions, comments?
No, it's Steve Ricker's district.
Brian, do you have any questions?
No more questions right now.
Okay. Seeing none, all those in favor? Aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? Ayes have it. Next is miscellaneous. Anything under miscellaneous? Next month might be a little longer. I'll let Kathy say what's coming next month.
Yes, so staff is bringing forth recommendations to update our building code. Currently, we enforce the 2014 International Code Council Building Code. We are looking to, the 2012 is what we're currently enforcing. We're looking to bring that up to date to the 2020 codes. Pardon me? I'm getting these dates all wrong. The 2018 codes with the 2017 National Electric Code. So we have put those amendments together. The City of Peoria has already adopted those same codes. Our intent is to have the entire area on the same code cycles. We're also talking to Washington, East Peoria, Morton, Tazewell County. Everyone's on board to come forth with the same cycle. So within this summer, with Tazewell County thinking they will be last maybe in August. So the State's Attorney's Office has those amendments at the moment, and they're reviewing those, and we hope to bring those forward to you at the May committee.
Perfect. Thank you, Kathy. Thank you, Andrew. Any other questions, comments? Seeing none, meeting adjourned. Oh, sorry, Jennifer. Oh, okay.
Brian Elsesser.
Left.
All right. Meeting adjourned.